One TV special report.
Si Kristo nga anak mo, o ang among kagawasan.
Ako ang pananggilan, ining mga kwaso, sa ngalan sa mahal sa anak o sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ang kalinaw panawatan ining maulawa, o ang tanan na munganin din. Ang Ginoo manaw ninyo,
Manausap kanimo.
ang pagbasa sa Santos ng Evangelyo, sumalang sa Lucas.
Imayaw ikaw, Ginoo.
O Diyos sa imong malabong nga pagkamuma, ikaw manipayon nga nagapanalaki, nihiling mao mga klaso, alang sa tanan, o sa mga buhat sa among mga kamuto una-una. Itugod nga ang tanan, nga musulod, nihiling mao classrooms, pinaglinuhan sa imong giya o pag-aga, mga bato sa uso, desisyon, o pagtuman niini uban sa kangayan. Kini among kipangayo, pinaakin Kristo among Ginoo.
Amen.
Amahan
Amo
amo.
na kasalangit pagdaygo ng ngalan, abot ka namo imong hinihiyan, matuhan ang pagtulog din sa yuta, ingon sa langit. Ang palalang namo sa matag-adlaw, ihatag ka namo karong adlaw. Pasayloa kami sa among mga sala. Ingon nagapasaylo kami sa nakasalatan namo. Kung dili mo kami itugyan sa kanulay, iyan mo sa pagkasisa ng pagkanan. Magimanya na Maria, puno ka sa grasya, ang Ginoong Diyos na kanimo. Lahat ikaw sa bahay ng tanan, ulahan sa pagbunga sa mayan mo sa Isos. Santa Maria, inahan ka sa Diyos, ikaw ang kami ng masasal. Karoon sa oras among pagkain. Amen. Amahan namo na sa langit, pagkayon ng ngalan, bukod ka namo ang imong hingalian. Matuman ang pagkaon din sa yuta, ngayon sa langit. Ang kalaro namo sa matag-adlaw, ihatag ka namo karong adlaw. Ang Ginoong Diyos na kanimo. Ulahan ikaw sa babae nga tanan. Ulahan mo sa pamunga sa tiyan mo nga si Jesus. Santa Maria. Ulahan ikaw sa babae nga tanan. Ulahan mo sa pamunga sa tiyan mo nga si Jesus. Santa Maria, inahan ka sa Diyos, igampo mo kami makasasala, karoon sa oras ang kamatay. Amen. Amahan namo na ka sa langit, pagdaygo ng imong ngalan, kumurot ka namo ang imong hinarian, matuwan ang pagbuhol din sa yuta, mayon sa langit. Ang kalaro namo sa matag-adlaw, ihatag ka namo karong adlaw. Sa iba kami.
Ang Ginoo manaak kaninyo,
Manausap kanimo.
paliw giduko ang inyong mga ulo atong pagayoon na panalangin sa Dios sa matag panalangin ng atong tubag. Amen.
Amen.
Ang atong Ginoong Jesucristo manaunta kaninyo aron manalipod kaninyo.
Amen.
Mag-unaunta siya kaninyo aron pag-aga kaninyo, magsunod siya kaninyo aron paglig-on kaninyo.
Amen.
Mag-amping o magbantay unta siya kaninyo o magpanalangin sa iyang kalinaw.
Amen.
Og manalangin kaninyo ang Dios nga makagagahom sa tanan, ang Amahan, ang Anak, ang Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Tapos natong pagbindisyon, niining maong tulungaan, niining maong lawak, niining maong classroom, na doon nato kanunay ang kalinaw, gugma ni Kristo.
Salamat sa Diyos.
Congratulations sa itong pakpakan ng Ginoo nga mula ang
Okay, we will now cut the ribbon in 3, 2, 1. Okay, a round of applause, please. Thank you so much.
Yabi. Iwan ka po. Because this time, sige, ready? 1, 2, 3. Dance Acknowledgement class.
Acknowledgement class.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Pharmacy. Sir, on behalf of one class. Thank you, sir. 1, 2, 3. This classroom is donated by Sir Larry Villarreal to the good people of Barangay Timos and Pershing Tanquito Senior Elementary School, Zami City, Misamis Occidental, under Operation Barrio School sa project of FCCII Foundation Incorporated. Congratulations, Pershing. The other one,
FYPC Hardware Corporation.
once already. Okay. Congratulations. Classroom design donated by Sir Jimmy Tang and Avisco Marketing Corporation to the good people of Barangay Desensitization, a project of the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, Ozamis Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce, and FYT or Hardware Corporation. Congratulations. Yay.
Mr. Cesar Lim and Mr. Pershing Tanquito Jr. Acknowledging also the presence of Dr. Lorena P. Serrano, SASO 6, ASTS OIC Office of the School Supervision of Misamis City. We would like also to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Janicio L. Luwagan Jr., SASO Assistant School Supervision Superintendent. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Ma'am Lorena P. Rivera, PSDS of District 7. Ma'am Arlene Diaz, Senior Education Program Specialist in Social Mobilization and Networking. Also, Honorable Cecil Waiko, our Education Committee Chairwoman, City Council. Our barangay officials headed by Honorable Roger C. Aves. Acknowledging also the school heads and also Engineer Henry Ingrasha. We would also like to acknowledge Ma'am Cherry Oka, the school head of Pershing Tanquito Senior Elementary School. Today marks a truly meaningful and momentous event for the entire Pershing Tanquito Senior Elementary School. Indeed, we are gathered here for the turnover ceremony of one-story, two-classroom Barrio School building, a remarkable project made possible through the generosity of FCCII Foundation Inc.
This event stands as a symbol of unity, partnership, and our shared goal to provide a better learning environment for our young learners. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the most awaited part of today's celebration.
Before we begin, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all our distinguished guests, school officials, partners, donors, parents, teachers, and pupils who took time to join us today. Your presence makes this occasion even more meaningful.
Today's program is held to formally turn over this newly constructed one-story, two-classroom school building to Pershing Tanquito Senior Elementary School, a symbol of generosity, partnership, and love for education.
This building represents not only a structure of learning, but a foundation of hope for the generations to come. Let us all celebrate this milestone together.
To officially open our program, let us invoke the presence of the Almighty through through a prayer to be led by our selected pupils.
Remain standing for the singing of the nationalistic song.
To formally open our program, we will be hearing first from our ever-supportive Punong Barangay of Barangay Trigos, Honorable Roger C. Abis, for his opening remarks.
May butang sa tanan. Ako siyang pagtahod sa ato ang mga 3 pillars sa sa atong province, si hardworking Governor Henry Escominan, o sa atong congressman sa Sipan District, kung Andrew Waminan, o ang ato ang Asenso Pinoy Party List, ni kung Hindi Waminan Junior, o sa labinan sa atong mayor, si Atty. Sam, o sa iyong mga konsihalis, o sa tanan na mga Asenso team, o akong pagtahod usap sa atong members of Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Sir Arthur San, Sir Cesar Lim, si Sir Crucintan Quito Jr. Nabinausap sa ato ang SDS, si Ma'am Lorena Sirano, Assistant SDS, si Vinicio Il Liwato Jr. O ato ang PSDS District 7, Ma'am Lorena Rivera. Ma'am Lorena. O labi na yun sa si akong konsyal sa ITCO Committee, Chairwoman City Councilor Honorable Cecil Waico. O di man sa mga head teacher na nakakaroon or principals na nakakaroon may bukat. O labi na yun sa akong mga barangay officials na present karon. O mga teacher o lagyan na yun sa mga school head sa Presidente dito Elementary School, Ma'am Cherilyn Ukam. O lagyan na yun sa mga teachers niya na nakakaroon, mga parents o mga student. Ako sa pagtahon, mayong utang. Ako sang padayon, no? Ang akong pagpasalamat sa mga may donate aning maong school building, no? Sa Barrio School Building, 1-story, 2 classroom. So dako kay kong salamat sa federation sa Chinese Chamber na diri sa muang barangay na nabutang, sa mga eskwelahan na nabutang ang gidunit sa mga ilang sa Chinese Chamber na diri ang ikon ni Sir John, no? Salamat kay Sir Sir Arthur na diri nabutang kay among classroom daghan-daghan na gini, no? Salamat kayo sa pag-donate kay kaning eskwelahan. Duha na ka great ang mga kakuanan ang magka-butang diri, no? So sir sa amua sa council sa permiro magud ani nga pagsugod, no? Iagi utang giniot ka ng pahina sa mga diris kami worker sa barangay. So ang walang libor ang libor o ipahina dayon ang kuan kani yung mason boray kayaran. So antol magkapahina ra mo sa 6 ka bulan ka usa ra mangod. Dili mag-continue produkte man nung kay nako yung trabaho ko pang mga sakop dari. So may galing sisilid yung kuan siya nga bayaran na niya ang libor na lang. So salamat kayo. So salamat kayo na continue hangtod sugod atong kanibulan pila so March nagsugod, no? So salamat po kayo na nahuman ang yun nga kaning proyekto nga yani diri po nakutang tingali ang eskwelahan kumitang dako po kay na-donate ang ato ang si Sir John sa iyong papa nga kanina area ilahan din ilahan din lumagay hektarya nga iyong nahatag nila. So salamat kayo sir sa pagpanggang ninyo sa atuan. So dili na lang kayo pupunto ang open sa programa o dagang salamat o mayong interaction.
Thank you, Honorable Roger Abes. Now, to give another warm message of welcome and appreciation, let us call on Ma'am Lorena P. Rivera, PSDS of District 7.
Isang maganda at mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. To our valued benefactors, the members of the Samis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce Incorporated, we have Mr. Pershing Tanqueto Jr., the past president, and proprietor of FYT. We have Sir Long Fai Chan, Sir Arthur, the chairman of the OFCCI, and Sir Caesar Agosto K. Lim, the vice president. We also have Engineer Henry Ingracia, our project engineer, with Ma'am Julieta Sinas, the office staff. And we are also sending our morning greetings across miles, not to our donors, Sir Jean Gitang and Sir Larry Villarreal. We also acknowledge the presence of our dear Schools Division Superintendent, the very highly respected and supportive Ma'am Lorena Pelari Serrano, with equally supportive Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Sir Jonicio Liwagon. Our Honorable Cecil Co, our Chair of the Ozamis City Ascenso Administration, representing our leaders of our city and province. We also have here Ma'am Arlene Villa, our Social Mobilization Network in charge of the division, and Engineer Paul Eric Catolong, our division engineer. Our barangay local government leaders, headed by Honorable Roger C. Abis, with the very supportive, backing up the school all the time, the members of the council of the barangay Trigos. Our school head, the current Ma'am Cherilyn Okan, that's our ma'am, and also Sir Jupi Rupita, who played a great role, because it was during his time when this project initiated. And we have here the supportive school heads of District 7 and our committed teachers, parents, learners, and everyone in attendance today. A blessed morning to each and everyone. Today, we gather for a significant and heartwarming occasion, the turnover ceremony of the newly constructed Barrio School building, the one-story, two-classroom school building here in Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School. A project that stands as a symbol of generosity, collaboration, and enduring commitment to education. This remarkable achievement is made possible through the benevolence of Mr. Pershing Tanqueto Sr., together with the members of the Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, whose generosity continues to transform schools into havens of learning and hope. This support reinforces our shared belief that the progress of education is not only a concern of one unit in the society, but a mission, or the mission of all. So as Nelson Mandela said, that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. This building embodies the truth that is not merely a structure of walls and windows, but a sanctuary of dreams, opportunities, and brighter futures of our dear learners. On behalf of the Department of Education, the District 7 family, and the entire school community, I extend our deepest gratitude to our donors, partners, and everyone who took part in realizing this meaningful project. May this partnership continue to inspire others, and may every learner who enters these classrooms be reminded that they are the hope and the future of our nation. Thank you and welcome to this momentous celebration of partnership and progress. Good morning.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Lorena, for that inspiring message.
Now, to add color and joy to our event, let's welcome our talented pupils for a lively intermission number.
Wala akong na-nervous. Ganina, the air was so serious. Paligami kay na yung mga presentations at ang mga tikiting. So my warmest greetings first to our very special guest today, the members of the Federation of the Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, headed by Mr. Arthur Chan Lungpay, Mr. Cesar Lim, and Mr. Pershing Tan Queto Jr. And to our SDS, Ma'am Lorena Serrano, and our Assistant SDS, Sir Johnny Liwagon, the school heads, district supervisors, in short, my DepEd family. To the Barangay Chairman of Trigos, Kapitan Roger Abis, and giubanan siya sa iyang full force na konsehal. Nakatanan din niya. Nara. Teachers din niya. So, and the parents, students, and special friends who are here today. Good morning, and it is always a joy to be here with the DepEd, witnessing another milestone. This is the turnover and the blessing of a new school building here in Pershing Tan Queto Elementary School. Actually, kanit siguro nga donation of the building is not the first effort na gihatag sa ato ang private sector in Osami City, because ganina gi-mention ni Barangay Kapitan na kaning lot was already donated by the late Pershing Tan Queto Sr. The whole 2 hectares of lot na himong eskwelahan there is Trigos. So this is just an additional nakod of coming donations by the private sector of Osami City. This is truly an answered prayer by our school heads, by the teachers, by the parents, by the students. Because every year, the public schools here in Osamis City or even in the whole Philippines always face different challenges, especially during enrollment time. The lack of classrooms is just one of those problems to accommodate the increasing number of enrollees year by year. So with the construction of this new building that is a gift to us by the Federation of the Chinese Chamber of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, the Education for All program and the No Child is Left Behind policy of DepEd, kaning bitaw walay dapat bata mahibilin sa balay nga dili mo sulod og eskwelahan. These programs are being fulfilled now, thanks to the generosity of the members of the Filipino-Chinese Chamber nationwide. To this organization, you are not just sharing your blessings, but you are opening doors to endless possibilities for our Osamisnon learners, offering them a bright future and letting them dream to become a professional in their family. So on behalf of the Ascenso Osamis administration headed by our Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, the City Council headed by our Vice Mayor Simplicia Bibi Neri, I thank you for setting your heart to the Osamis learners, especially here in Barangay Trigos. Your philanthropic act marks as a catalyst to the success of all Ascenso Osamis programs. And I encourage you and I hope that you will continue to touch the lives of the learners in Osamis City and become and be the trailblazer in the community, especially in the private sector, in the business sector, to work hand in hand with the government as we look forward to more partnerships and journey toward a kanunay padayon Ascenso Osamis City. Thank you very much and good morning once again.
Thank you, Honorable Cecil Waiko, and to the whole Ascenso Osamis for your unwavering support to education.